Damn. I smell something. Oh, I smell something. Ooh, yes. Nina, come through. Smells like a rumble in the jungle in here. Woo! Damn, look at that. Chicken. Ooh, look at that chicken. Fried chicken and rice and peas. Over the next side. Woo! Ah, yeah. So it's gonna be like a really good day. Way to start off our next adventure. In the last vlog you saw us doing a little bit of swimming. Just hanging around, chilling, but we're gonna go somewhere. But before we go, we are definitely going to grab something to eat. And what we're gonna eat is gonna be up our hazy. Oh, hallelujah.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say. All the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
So everything's getting fed. The koi are getting fed. Which is awesome. Yo. My toaster strudels are done?
Yeah.
Let me see them.
One of them is mine.
Sure. Ooh, so I got dessert before dinner. This is cold though.
That's what I'm gonna put them in.
Oh,
You think?
dude.
Steven.
Is the oven hot?
It's like still on preheat, but you can still put it in there.
Okay. This is just here without the curls.
Yeah.
Oh.
And see, and sometimes I
It
would
looks
wonder
weird.
if it even works.
Hi, I'm back. So I just got done getting a shower, combed out my hair a little bit, and I pretty much, to be honest, I put on the same shirt I wore yesterday because I went to this party for maybe like 10 minutes and I was too tired, so I just went in the van and I fell asleep. I think I already told you guys this already, so if you already heard this, then just skip this part, but maybe you already watched it already, so it's kind of like irrelevant. Right now, I'm just going to, what am I gonna do? I'm walking aimlessly somewhere, and has that ever happened to you before? Like, you're walking in the house and then like you get to a point and it's just like, why am I here? Just like, why? Like, what am I supposed to do here? And like you stand up for like maybe like 2-3 minutes looking around, trying to find like a clue as to what you came here for or what you intended to do. And you're looking for clues, not water, not the bed. All right, let me go into the bathroom. I don't know. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing pretty much. Don't mind all the mess that's around because we're pretty much sharing a house, and of course we're just leaving everything around. But I'm looking for something and I don't know what it is. Oh my gosh. Maybe I'm getting too old. I don't know. Dude. What am I? Right now I feel like Dory. I feel like Dory from Finding Nemo. Oh God. Malachi, what am I supposed to be doing?
I have no idea.
I'm supposed to be curling my hair.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm curling my hair, okay. Where's the curler?
I have an old one.
Yeah, that's the one I'm taking away from you.
Oh, okay.
I'm stealing that one. This is the new one. No, this is it.
That's the older one.
This is the older one. All right.
Yeah,
Beep 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 beep. Somebody's coming in. Beep 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 beep. And I'm here. I'm pretty much here right now. And well, I'm just gonna curl my hair and then try to get something to eat. And if you guys look back on like my very first vlog, where my hair was like really low, and I was like, yo, I want something different, I want to change, I don't know how this is gonna look. I might look really messed up, but I gotta change. I was a little bit different. Now I'm a new person. I'm a new boy. Alright guys, so pretty much I just got done doing that whole curl hair thing. For me, it really doesn't work like the best because my hair texture is a little bit softish, so like by the time I do that whole curl thing, it's there, but it's not like as pronounced as like, you see me? So we just hear all the reason my cousin and thing, isn't it? Because like my dad saw a video and then he's like I don't really care what people think, but like Mr. Tim say, yo, my son fool though, and he's like, no man, let me see what you're doing. Right. But no, I'm just saying, me I ask you say me son fool. You see me? But just do me thing, you see me? Oh, as in the comedy of you see me? So like, switch up a little bit now, I look a little bit neat and thing. So like, just done do that, and we're gonna try to get something to eat right now. Food is very important. It's very important. I'm going to talk to you guys about food. Food is spelled F-O-O-D. And you guys are really listening to find out about something very interesting that I had to say, but really, I don't have anything to teach you about food. Oh, bam! Oh yeah, round of applause. Rice and peas. If you've never had rice and peas, that's what it is. It's kind of like Brazilian food. They say like beans, but we say peas, and that's made with like of course rice and of course red peas, but it's cooked down in coconut water. Of course, that green thing there is thyme. We have pepper over there, and whatever herbs you want, of course. And then we have the real deal chicken right there. Those chicken look really, really good. I just want to make love to them, but I'll do that later. And we have more chicken being done right there. And yeah, and these are the toasted strudels that I had done, but I don't even know. Oh, those are hot. All right, let's do this. We're game. And we're gonna get to me eating in 3, 2, 1.
I can't stand him.
Of course, my cousin took one of my toaster strudels, but that's fine. I'll kill him later.
What?
Death by apple strudel. You would have to put it in some water.
Yeah, water. It's really strong, Mom. It's really strong.
For me, like, I'm not really like a Pop-Tarts person. I like toasted strudels because it's soft. And the insides are just, yo, trust
Are
me.
you eating it like a freaking pancake? Okay, you know what? I ain't here to judge you.
This is how they were.
Pancake.
This is how they were designed to be eaten. Look. Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
You
I
have to.
can see that.
Yeah. Look at this. Oh, beautiful.
I like to make my own with the puff pastry.
Wow.
Oh!
Can you pour me a little bit? Can you pour me a little bit? Please.
Where did Mercedes go?
Can you tell your cuz to pour you a little milk and he throws you a whole glass. I gotta eat dinner, bro.
For him, that is a little.
Oh.
This good?
Yeah, thanks, bro. Thank you. For me, generally, like if I'm eating something sweet, I have to always have something like neutral. So it's either like water or something like this, definitely milk. Some people drink this with juice, that's crazy. Crazy. So crazy.
That's too sweet.
That's absolutely too much sugar at one time.
Exactly.
It's windy.
Wow, that was pretty good. I just got done eating my toasted strudels and my milk, and now I'm just pretty much just waiting for the good stuff. You know what I'm saying? The main event. That's what we're waiting for. Yeah. What's that?
Oregano oil.
Is that what he gave me for my flu that time?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That should work wonders.
That's a strong oregano smell.
Strong, right? I can smell it from here.
You don't do that anything.
Yeah, like I remember like in November I went to New York and I had like a really bad flu. Probably the worst one I ever had. And like I went up there and my aunt gave me some stuff. What was it again?
Oregano oil.
Just oregano oil?
Yeah.
You gave me
no,
and
it's
chlorophyll.
oregano oil, chlorophyll, and vitamin C crystals.
Oh, yo, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll's in plants. You know that in the leaves. They actually have like a substrate for it. So like the water gets really green, and then the vitamin C crystals, it's pretty much like vitamin C. It just makes the water very tangy. And then I put honey in there too for a flavor, and it really worked. I'm not gonna lie. It really worked. Cleared the flu really quickly. So natural things.
Knock on wood.
You have to
I haven't been sick with a cold. That's why I say knock on wood. In a long time. I guess that radiation killed everything.
You guys still playing video games?
Yeah.
Who's the master?
I am.
Who's the master?
I'm Steven.
At least
I'll
one
beat
person
you.
is honest.
I'll beat you. I will
When?
beat you with the Legends team.
Alright.
With the Legends team, I can beat you. Any other team, no.
So of course they're playing FIFA. They're using World's 11, I think, versus Real Madrid. And the score is 2-0. Who's winning?
Me.
You're winning?
Yeah.
2-0?
Yeah.
Wow. Little brother beating big brother. Dad. Sharing out your food, son?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What's that, gravy? Got to get in on that.
I heard something.
That's the
Oh. No, I'm not seeing it.
Still dilator. Like if something is dilated, like when you get your eyes dilated.
G-I-A-L-A-T-O-R.
T-O-R, that's what I said for dilator.
Dilator. Oh yeah, T-O-R. Not. I thought you meant dilated.
Dilator.
Yeah. O-R.
Guess who she wasn't Nancy? Her mother.
Yeah.
Alright.
She already knew she wasn't asking you.
Yeah. That's a thigh.
Thigh. It's a big thigh.
That's only because the backbone is in there.
Oh. That's a big one. Wow, this is definitely a beautiful plate. You got a veg, your rice and peas, your chicken. I have gravy on top. So I'm about to eat that, and then I'll let you guys know how it is. So right now we're just about to eat food. You realize like he's always in the background. He's always in the background doing some dancing and stuff, but that's him, that's his character, and I hope you guys love it. So we're gonna eat some food and then we are going to go somewhere. Maybe we're gonna do a little bit of karate.
What? Boy, this man, whose man is this?
So we're pretty much done eating and the food was fantastic. Just to prove it, I'm gonna show you something.
Just don't mash up my food.
Crime scene.
Yeah.
Crime scene. And it's not even my play. Look at that.
Everything alright.
And this is mine.
Yeah, just a
Crime
little
scene. His is worst. Definitely worst. But I'm not really done as yet. I just wanted to get a video of him doing that. And then this guy over here is doing his hair. He's at the salon right now. Yeah, like what I liked about the chicken was it was really tender. Like I had a thigh and I had the leg, and it was like really tender. It's not like, you know, you try to cook it. Like the biggest problem for me when you're doing fried chicken is this kid's behind me dancing, right? I could just feel it. But the biggest problem with me whenever you're doing fried chicken is like you want to make sure that one, it's not raw, two, it's not too dry. So it's like a really huge compromise in between both of them. But for me, the chicken was really good. It was even better with the gravy. They made like some kind of sauce thing with pancake mix and some other stuff, but like, you know, the gravy is shot still, isn't it? And he's back dancing, right? Oh, he just... Where are you?
I tried. Oh. I was gonna snack you with my pick, but I choose not to.
With your what?
With this.
So how would that be possible though? No, I'm not gonna do nothing to you. Dude, why are you moving? No, seriously, I wouldn't do anything to you on camera. It's recorded. No, seriously. No, but what would you do though? Huh? Okay. So I'm just here scraping out food from my dog. I want to take food home for him. Make sure that he has something to eat too. Yeah, make sure that he has food too. Something to have. You guys might be really freaked out that the camera is moving. My hands are not on it. I know. I'm about to scrape out something that TJ has nothing in his face. Nothing at all. Yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Remember out there's a dead end, so there's nowhere else you can really go. Oh. Where you going, big man? Where you going, big man? Mind that thing poke me in the eye, bruh. Where you going, big man? Boy, strong as an ox, but I'm stronger. Where you going, big man? Where you going? Where you going, big man? Where you going?
Nowhere.
Go. Go. Go, go.
Yeah,
We're gonna be roasting everybody tonight.
Oh no, it's the roast night.
Yeah, tonight we're gonna be doing bowling and everyone's gonna get beat. A joke. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
But like,
Yeah.
we're gonna do bowling tonight. That's where we're going. I love bowling. At first I thought it was like a sport for like really I don't know, hold it. But when I went to New York, Bonnie let me play for the first time and I had a blast doing it, and ever since I really loved playing bowling. So we're gonna do that tonight. I know the first round of games, or the first round of the game, I'm probably gonna lose. Take some time for my arm to warm up. But then I'll see you guys there, so I'll catch you later.